Next new platform supported is Microsoft Exchange. Both Exchange Server and Exchange Online are supported. For backup features, you can backup users, user groups, and the whole organization. When performing backups, you can exclude some directories to backup certain directories. And some other features include forever incremental backups, forever retention policies to permanently store the critical business data, support efficient multi-threaded transmission from 1 to 16, and one thread for backing up one user, so that at the same time, Windchain supports backup 16 users. And for the backup destination, you can send backup data to local or cloud storages. For recovery features, because Exchange may usually contain many confidential business information, it is important to verify users' identity before Exchange data recovery. So firstly, Windchain supports users' identity authentication before recovery. Next, Windchain supports advanced search to quickly locate the recovery source for specific files before initiating the recovery process, and support granular restore for restoring certain emails, calendars, tasks, and etc. The recovery destination can be stored to original organization, different organization, or single user.